Are you the type to wait for a sweeter reward later? Or do you always give in to temptation for the present? Your answer to these questions could make or break your goal of building wealth. How, you ask? Welcome to Optimal Wealth, your ultimate destination for unlocking the secrets of financial independence and building lasting wealth. In this video, we will explore delayed gratification and wealth accumulation. We'll start by looking at the Marshmallow Test, its implications on delayed gratification and future success, and discuss why delayed gratification can actually lead to wealth accumulation. Here, you'll also know about the challenges you might face delaying your gratification in our consumerism-oriented society, so you can stand tall against them. And be sure to watch to the end for valuable tips on improving your delayed gratification skills. To start us off, let us explain the Marshmallow Test and its implications on delayed gratification and success. Picture this: a room filled with kids, each facing a difficult choice. A single marshmallow is placed before them, and they are told that if they can resist eating it for a set time, they will be rewarded with a second marshmallow or pretzel stick, depending on the child's preference. Pretty easy, right? Maybe not so much. The Marshmallow Test, conducted by psychologist Walter Mischel in 1972, aimed to measure a child's ability to delay immediate gratification for a more significant reward in the future. The findings were really eye-opening and shed light on the relationship between delayed gratification and future success. So, what were the observations? Well, some kids couldn't resist the tempting marshmallow before them and devoured it instantly and without a second thought. Others, however, displayed remarkable self-control. They resisted the urge to indulge in the immediate gratification of the one marshmallow and patiently waited for the second marshmallow or pretzel stick. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Follow-up studies on the kids reveal that those who were able to delay gratification and wait for the second marshmallow ended up having better life outcomes. They showed higher academic performance, improved social skills, and even higher scores on standardized tests. In essence, they seem to be on a trajectory toward greater success in the different key aspects of life. So, what does this test mean for delayed gratification and future success? This test reveals that the ability to delay instant gratification is not just a one-off moment of self-control, but a vital skill with long-term implications. You could liken it to a mental muscle that, when developed, can lead to greater achievements and better life outcomes. The Marshmallow Test demonstrates that individuals who can delay gratification tend to have better impulse control, patience, and the ability to plan for the future. These traits are fundamental when it comes to wealth accumulation, savings, and investment strategies. Moving ahead, let's quickly look at the importance of delayed gratification and wealth accumulation, savings, and investment. When building wealth, delayed gratification allows you to resist impulse spending and focus on long-term financial goals. It's like putting on a pair of financial glasses that help us see past immediate desires and onto the bigger picture. By delaying gratification, we can allocate our resources more wisely. So instead of spending every penny on your present desires, as soon as it hits your bank account, you can decide to save a portion of your income for a future benefit. This practice of saving sets the foundation for wealth accumulation. Moreover, delayed gratification empowers you to make strategic investment decisions. Instead of seeking quick, short-term gains, which can be super risky, you can patiently invest in assets that have the potential for long-term growth. Whether we're talking about stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts, the ability to delay fulfillment allows you to stay focused on the bigger financial goals and ride out market fluctuations. Furthermore, practicing delayed gratification cultivates discipline and self-control. It helps you develop healthy financial habits such as budgeting, living within your means, and avoiding unnecessary costly debt. These habits together create a solid financial framework that supports wealth accumulation and provides a sense of financial security. Now, let's look at the obstacles to practicing delayed gratification in a consumer-oriented society. As you already know, practicing delayed gratification can indeed be challenging in a consumerism-focused society that bombards us with messages of instant gratification. We live in a world where convenience and instant satisfaction are hammered into our minds, making it harder to resist the allure of immediate pleasures. However, understanding and addressing these challenges can help you navigate this landscape. One of the main challenges is the constant exposure to marketing and advertising. From television to billboards and even social media, the message is the same: get it now. companies are investing big to learn about consumer behavior, including collecting vast amounts of people's data. From this, ads are carefully designed to create desires and tempt the masses into making impulsive purchases. Essentially, they appeal to your innermost emotions, promising happiness and fulfillment if you buy such and such product and service. When you're able to recognize these tactics, it becomes easier to develop a strong mindset that resists the urge to give in to these marketing ploys. Moreover, the rise of online shopping and the ease of one-click purchases have further amplified the situation. With just a few clicks, you can have almost anything delivered to our doorstep the very next day. This convenience and accessibility make it difficult to resist the temptation of instant gratification. But even though it won't be easy, you can counter this by taking a step back and giving yourself time to consider whether you're actually buying out of genuine need or from impulsive desires. Societal pressures to keep up with trends and appearances can also make you cave to instant gratification. It's human nature to compare yourself to others, but social media has fueled this social pressure to near boiling point. The curated lifestyles and luxurious possessions influencers and well-to-do personalities share often creates a sense of inadequacy or the fear of missing out, FOMO, leading to impulsive spending to fit in or portray a particular image. Recognizing that true wealth and fulfillment come from within rather than external possessions can help shift our mindset and reduce the desire for instant gratification. So, how can you cultivate delayed gratification and consequently build wealth? Set clear financial goals. Start by defining your long-term financial goals, whether that's saving for a down payment on a house, funding your children's education, or retiring comfortably. Having specific goals provides a clear direction for your financial decisions. Make sure you write them down and revisit them regularly to stay focused. Develop a solid financial plan. With goals, the next thing you need is an action plan. So create a detailed financial roadmap that outlines how you will achieve your goals. Break them down into smaller milestones and set realistic timelines. Having a plan gives you a direction to follow and helps you resist impulsive spending by reminding you of the bigger picture. Visualize long-term benefits. Take time to picture the long-term benefits of delaying gratification. Imagine the financial security, freedom, and opportunities that come with achieving your goals. Visualizing these benefits helps reinforce the importance of postponing immediate desires for greater rewards in the future. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, does this align with your long-term goals? Consider whether the item or experience will truly bring lasting satisfaction or if it's just a fleeting desire. Mindful spending involves consciously evaluating the value and impact of each key purchase on your financial well-being. Find alternative rewards. Instead of indulging in instant gratification through spending, seek alternative ways to reward yourself. Reward milestones and achievements with experiences, such as a day trip, a spa day, or quality time with loved ones. These rewards create meaningful moments without compromising your financial goals. Practice patience and self-discipline. Delayed gratification requires a lot of patience and self-control, so train yourself to resist immediate impulses by practicing small acts of self-discipline. For instance, you could try to delay small purchases by a day or two and gradually increase the time frame. Over time, you'll strengthen your ability to resist instant gratification. Create a cooling-off period. When faced with the intense desire to buy something that isn't really essential, try the cooling-off period technique. Basically, you want to give yourself a designated time frame, like 24 hours or a week, to reconsider the purchase. Often, you'll find that the initial impulse subsides, and you can make a more rational decision. Surround yourself with support. Ever heard the popular saying, "You're the sum total of the people you surround yourself with"? If you stick around individuals who prioritize delayed gratification and financial responsibility, you'll also act the same. So join online communities, attend financial workshops, or seek out accountability partners who can provide support and encouragement on your journey. So, are you ready to delay immediate gratification to achieve long-term financial success? Leave us a comment. We would love to hear about your experiences with delayed gratification and any strategies you've used to improve this skill. Also, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on personal finance and wealth building. As always, thanks for watching.